economic data painted a grim picture on Friday as US retail sales and manufacturing output showed record declines in April due to virus-related stay-at-home orders. Wall Street ends up after swings on reopening hopes, weak data and trade woes. Dow Jones Industrial Average closed 60 points, S&P 11 points up and Nasdaq 70 points up for the day. A big blow to China's Huawei in a move that soars to ramp up tension between China and US. The Trump administration moved to block global chip makers from shipping semiconductors to Huawei, the second largest smartphone makers in the world. However, company refused to comment on this. On your screen you can see the overall stimulus package announced by Government of India under Atmanirbhar Bharat in last 5 tranches which government has announced is totaling amount of 11 lakh crores. Earlier measures which were given under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package was 1,92,000 crore, while RBI measures were to the tune of 8 lakh crore rupees, total amounting to 20,97,000 crore. The major policy reforms undertaken through this Atmanirbhar Bharat was defense production, where FDI limits in defense manufacturing through automatic route will be now raised to 74% from 49%. Mines and mineral sector will be in focus because of removal of distinction between captive and non-captive mines that will allow transfer of mining leases and sale of surplus unused minerals, leading to a better efficiency in mining and production. According to Barclay Research, very interesting math is on your screen that the Atmanirbhar Bharat package for mere 1.5 lakh crore of 21 lakh crore economic stimulus package will come from government's balance sheet, and 19.47 lakh crore RBI liquidity infusion, food stock, government guarantees is a non-monetary, non-fiscal measures taken by the Government of India. So very minuscule hit on the government's balance sheet were seen by the Barclays Research. It is almost lesser of 1% of GDP of India. According to other estimates, only 1 to 1.5% of GDP were taken hit on this Atmanirbhar Bharat. Indian Met Department has issued a warning that very serious cyclonic storm Amphan is developing and in next 24 hours, and it is likely to cross West Bengal Bangladesh coast between Digha and Hatia in evening of 20th May. National Disaster Management headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has directed Government of India to extend lockdown up to May 31st. During these periods, there are certain restrictions and eases, as you can see on the screen. Activities which are prohibited throughout the country will be travel by air, metro, rail, except permitted by Ministry of Home Affairs, educational institutions, hospitality services, cinema halls, shopping malls, gymnasium, public gatherings, social, political, cultural, religious, all religious places closed for worships, protection for vulnerable persons, night curfew to continue from 7 pm to 7 am. FIIC increasing their bearish bet and derivative segment as the net end of day future positions were increased from 17,528 to the tune of 28,000 contracts they were on the short sides. How this position has come is the resultant of the short position created 7,956 contract and long unwinding seen almost to the tune of 3,000 contracts, while in put option we can see they have increased their bets on long put side, while on the hedge, for the hedge we can see here the long call options were added to the kitty, and around to 4,500 contracts were added. So net they have increased their bearish bet in derivative segment. USD INR May future contract 30 minutes chart is on your screen. You can see the trend line which was in action in last fortnight was violated in last trading session as 75.77 around level, and we have seen a move beyond that along with the volume expansion. So the next level, since the trend line was violated during the day, so we can see the next level coming up 76.07 to 76.10. that will act as a strong resistance going forward, because in last 2 minute trading session market or the USD INR is not able to cross that level. So we should watch keenly, and there will be some cue to trade either side. If it fails to move above, then we may see that going downward. Otherwise, since the violation of the trend line is already in place, so we may look for the clarity whether the market can again sustain above 76.07 to 76.10. On your screen you can see this is Nifty 30 minutes chart of last 25 days, and we have seen that 9110 violated during the day, and Nifty made 60 point lower from there, and then again during the day it shows a smart recovery to close just tad below from the previous closing. Now in two of the occasion you can see here, one occasion and the second occasion it violated the 9110, but in both of these two occasions it closed above. Last time it closed fairly above that level, but this time just tad above 9110. Now it will be keenly watched in coming trading session that how these levels are being negotiated, because we have already seen in FII future segment that they have increased their bearish bet. FIIs are increasing their bearish bet through futures and options as well. So this is Bank Nifty chart of 30 minutes of last fortnight. We can see that Bank Nifty is showing some kind of weakness, even more weakness than the Nifty index. So in today's trading session it went below the, as earlier we have mentioned that 18,800 will be a level to watch out for. It drifted downwards, went up to 18,683, then given a recovery from there and closed above that 18,800 level. Now again for the next trading session, again that level will remain the same, important to the index, and if it's sustained above that level, then only advisable to go long. At least in the first half an hour we should look at, then we should enter any trade. Then the next level will be, if it sustained above that level, next level will be 19,400. Now and then the 20,000 will come as a strong resistance for the whole formation in last 15 days. So 18,800, 19,400 and 20,000, these are the three levels we should watch out for trading purposes. And any of these levels, if during the day if violates any of these levels, that will be an opportunity to go either side. If you find any meaningful information in this video, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get future notifications.